Today we're talking about Freshwater Spa Salt. Hey everyone, this is Daniel with Leisure Time, and today we're gonna explain a little bit more about the spa salt from freshwater. Salt helps generate chlorine in your hot tub. Do not use salt if you have a chlorine or an ozone hot tub because that will damage your hot tub for sure. So just make sure that you use spa salt if you have a salt system hot tub. That's very, very important. Salt in your salt system hot tub will help the hot tub eliminate the odors. In general, keep the water clean. Before putting salt in your hot tub, use the salt test strips to check the levels of your water. Then, if your hot tub needs salt, add just half of a cup every 5 minutes to make sure that it dissolves properly. All hot tubs are different sizes, so you need to make sure that you check the label to see how much salt your hot tub needs. Salt system hot tubs are a new trend in the industry. A lot of people are preferring the salt system hot tubs because they don't want chlorine in the water. If you have any questions about the salt system hot tubs, just let us know, and thank you.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and follow us on our social media for more content from Leisure Time.